Hey everyone, I'm Joclyn, and I am one of Creative Energy Options Pattern Awareness Coaches. And I just wanted to reach out to you today on our Tidbit Tuesday for me. It's my first time on, to give you a little information about how we are looking to re-enter into our workplaces. So, as you know, COVID has changed all of us, and in some ways or another. And as we bring ourselves back into the workplace, either in June or maybe the end of the summer, maybe 2021, maybe we'll all be working home for a while. But those of us that will be re-entering or bringing on our old staff into a new norm, we're just going to give you a couple of tidbits of information on how that might work for you in a greater, better way, not only for you, but for your staff you're bringing back on board. So one of the methods that we use is OUT, and it is observing, understanding, and transforming. This method works extremely well because it allows us as leaders or as co-workers supporting our other team members to transform. So the transformation part is probably basically more going to come from us because we're going to be able to bring on an understanding, more empathy, and more patience and more compassion as our team comes back into the workplace, because COVID has affected all of us in different ways, and how we left more than likely will not be how we come back. Okay, so the O in OUT stands for observation. My hope is that you'll observe your team as they come back, checking out how they're relating with each other, how they're relating to you, how they're processing their work, how if there are any stress levels, and developing an understanding on how that feels for them and what that looks like. One of the ways to do that prior to them coming back is to have a one-on-one phone call. And that one-on-one phone call will allow you to have an open conversation. Hopefully you as a leader will be transparent in your conversation. But it's basically just saying, hey, you know what? We're on our way back. I just wanted to reach out to see how you are, how your family is, how things are going. If there's anything that I can do to help you and support you in a greater way as you enter back, I would really like to have an opportunity to talk about that. One of the great things about this is that it allows you an opportunity to be transparent as well. And when you're transparent, people are transparent with you. And it will make the reentry safer for them because they're able to share about how they're feeling and what's going on. And that safety gives them more support. And we really do want to support people as they're coming back in. And you may have to support them in a different way than you did before. So the other thing is, those of you who are part of a team, please feel free to use the same method in reaching out to your director or your supervisor or your leader, and have that same conversation with them. Hey, I'm just checking in. I know we're coming back. I just wanted to follow up to see where we are and what's happening, and how we as a team can support each other. If you have any ideas, hey, tell me how you got through COVID, and are you bringing anything back to the team that we can share and listen to? So that's the tidbit I wanted to give you today, was to use an OUT. Observe, understand, transform. Observe your team, because people have dealt with different things. You may have people coming back who are dealing with their death. You may have coworkers coming back that have been at home the whole time, working with their kids, being school teachers, bottle washers, caregivers, lovers, mothers, and they're coming back having worked as well. So they're coming back exhausted, trust me. And, they're not going to get a chance to regroup. And also, there are people that are coming back that have said, when this COVID-19 is over and I can get out this house, I'm getting away from you too. So, those conversations are taking place as well. So that's what I have for you today. Please feel free to reach out to Sylvia or myself if you have any questions, if you need some prompting on how to have these conversations, if you need more information and understanding on the OUT method, observing, understanding, transforming. We are here for you. You do not have to do leadership by yourself. It takes a little longer that way. You know, as we say, go with the people that have your answers and not your problems. So, you know, we're here for you. We embrace you. Thank you so much for being an inner circle and joining us. We embrace you. We support you. Thank you so much. Have a fabulous rest of the week. And as my friend says, I'll see you at the top. And peace and love, and we'll take care. And I'll see you soon.